Hello students, welcome to Sourav's classes. So in today's video, we'll be solving a few questions from NDA 2018 mathematics paper. So first we'll start with question number 85. So in question number 85, it is given for f to be a function. What is the domain of x? So we have to find the domain of f if fx is equals to 1 by root over modulus x minus x. So we have to find what? We have to find the domain of f. So how do we do it? For this we know that is function of x is basically equals to 1 by root over modulus x minus x. So here we know modulus x minus x is basically greater than 0 and modulus x is greater than x. So here x is less than 0. So now from here we can do this. Now we know x is basically belongs to what? X belongs to minus infinity to 0. So we can simply state x belongs to minus infinity to 0. So option A would be the right answer for question number 85. Now we'll go to the next question, that is question number 86. Question number 86 it is given. So we have to find the solution for differential equation x dy minus y dx equals to 0. So how do we do it? For this, first of all, I'll simply write down. Allow me to take a page. So here on this, it is question number 86. So in question number 86, it is given x dy minus y dx is basically equals to 0. dy by y equals to dx by x is basically equals to log y equals to log x plus k, which is equals to log y by x, which is equals to k. Now it will be equals to y by x equals to e to the power k and y equals to e to the power kx. So now from here we can find the value of y to be equals to cx. So we can get ek e to the power k to the equals to c. So we have found y to be cx because e to the power k is c. So now we'll go to the options we have. So in this option we have 4 options, out of which we can see option B, which says y equals to cx is the right answer. Now we'll go to the next question, that is question number 87. So in question number 87 it is given fx e to the power tan x plus log sec x minus e to the power ln x at x to the power x equals to pi by 4. So here 4 options are given, as you can see, out of which we have to find the right answer. So for this we'll simply write down, we'll solve it. We'll just do first order differentiation because it is given derivative of the function. So it will be equals to e to the power tan x sec square x plus sec x tan x divided by sec x. So this sec and sec will get cancelled out and we'll get e to the power 2x by x, and this f times pi by 4 will be basically equals to e to the power root 2 to the square plus 1 minus e to the power ln pi by 4 by pi by 4. So if you solve it, you will get the value to be equals to how much? You will get the value to be equals to 2e plus 1 minus 1, which is 2e. So for question number 87, the right answer we have found to be 2e. So I hope you guys have understood this question. If you still have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.souravclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exams. So thank you for watching this video and have a nice day ahead.